What's going on, everybody? This is your midday update for June 23rd as we take a look at the action on the SPY thus far. As you can see, it's very, very choppy, which we expected this morning. However, if you take a look at your individual stocks, you'll actually see some decent action here. If we look at the Highflyers here, CMG actually crossed over 600 a bit earlier this morning and has since dropped back, but she's looking pretty bullish. Tesla is looking very bullish today, up 8 points here. This is recent highs that she's made. And the Google has had significant problems around 570. We'll take a look at that chart in a second, but she's looking pretty bullish as well. So it's looking like pretty much the high flyers here. Some of the banks are getting stronger as we speak here. Wells Fargo, Goldman Sachs. And then beyond that, solar names are still in play. We take a look at this FSLR. She had a nice spike up here at 11 o'clock. A lot of volume here. I think there's some news came out. So that thing is looking well. If we go back to that Google, you can see if we go back to, let's say, a sort of 6-month chart here, 3-month chart, you can see a lot of action at sort of 570, 570. Can't really get through, can't really get through. And now all of a sudden, we might get back through there. You can probably see it a little bit easier here, yeah. So every time she gets over 570, it just dumps out. This could be a good swing trade going forward. Maybe, she finally gets up to that $600 area, especially since nobody is selling anything right now in this market. So make sure you guys tune in to today's trading update. By the way, I am trading again, so let's take a look at my P&L right now. So we can take a look over here. We can zero in on some of the trades that I've been making. These are the calls that I've been playing. I traded the weekly 567.5 call on the Google. I bought it at about 4.5. Sold, 5 up to about $6. That option, by the way, is trading significantly higher. We take a look at this option here. This option is trading with a $7.20 bid, so almost a double here. And if Google keeps going, probably she hits about 573. You might get a $9 bid on this thing. So it's a pretty good trade. Some pretty good moves out there today. Congrats to everybody who caught them. And we'll see you after the close for the trading update.